Hi, I'm Jamie from Synapptic, and today we're going to run through how to make and receive calls from your Synapptic device. When you receive your Synapptic device, it will come with a free pay-as-you-go SIM card to get you started. This will give you calls, texts, and access to data until it runs out. You will then need to either top up your pay-as-you-go SIM or set up a call plan. You can either contact us and we can get you set up with a Synapptic call plan, or you can contact one of the main providers directly, such as EE, Vodafone, or O2. All Synapptic devices are factory unlocked and can be used with a pay-as-you-go SIM or contract SIM card from any provider. So let's get started by looking at the call menu. Firstly, go to the main menu screen and select the Make a Call option. As normal, depending on your level of sight loss, you can either slide your finger up and down the screen to hear the various menu options spoken out. Then lift your finger off the screen to select the required option, or just tap your finger on the option you require. For more details on how to navigate the Synapptic menus, check out the Navigating Through Synapptic video. A link can be found in the description below. The Make a Call menu has 5 different options to choose from. These are Dial a Number, Address Book, Recently Called, Voicemail, and Settings. We'll cover answering and ending calls later, as well as what happens during a call. For now, we'll start with the first option on the Make a Call menu, which is Dial Number, and is used to manually dial a telephone number. Selecting the Dial a Number option will show a large number pad. Operate the number pad like any other part of Synapptic. Slide your finger around to find the required digit, or just tap the required digit. Continue until you have typed in the full number. The complete number is shown at the top of the screen, just above the number 1 and 2 keys. Keep your finger pressed in this area to hear the number spoken out and verify what you have typed in. To delete the last digit, use the Delete button above the number 3 key. To clear the entire number, press the red Clear button at the bottom right of the screen. Simply move your finger around the screen and these options will be read out aloud. When you've typed the complete number, press the green dial button at the bottom left to make the call. For international calls, press the hash key twice to enter a plus sign followed by the country code and phone number. The second option is the address book. This option is used to call someone whose number you have already stored in the address book. At the top of this screen is the filter button, which can be used to find the contact you are looking for. Simply select the filter button and this will show each letter of the alphabet. Select a letter to filter contacts starting with that letter. Use the next and previous page buttons to move between the pages of contacts. Place your finger on the screen and slide your finger over each contact to hear their name and telephone number spoken out.
Example 019112345667.
Once the desired contact has been found, release your finger to select them. A confirmation screen will display. Then press the Yes button and their number will be dialed. Alternatively, press and release the No button to cancel. The third option is the Recently Called option, where you can search a list of numbers from people you have recently called or who have recently called you or you missed their call. For each entry in the Recently Called list, the name of the person who you have called or missed a call from can be found, along with the date, time, and duration of the call.
Today at 14:44, duration 0 seconds.
Once the entry has been selected, you can view the details of the call the person, add them as a contact to the address book, or delete the entry. You can also delete all calls from this person and block this number to prevent nuisance calls or texts. Important contacts are listed directly on the Make a Call menu from the fourth menu option onwards. This allows you to call important contact numbers quickly. To have a contact appear on the Make a Call menu, add it to the address book as an important contact. This will be covered in a later video. Each important contact on the Make a Call menu is displayed with a yellow star to the left. The fourth option is the voicemail option. Select this option and your phone will automatically call your voicemail mailbox and play back any messages that have been left for you. The final option in the Make a Call menu is the Call Settings option. Within the Call Settings menu, there are options allowing you to change the ringtone volume, and decide if you want the caller's name announced when the phone rings. Now that we've covered all the options on the Making a Call menu, I'm now going to show you how to answer and end incoming calls. So, when your device rings, use the green answer button in the bottom left of the screen to answer the call. Alternatively, use the red reject button in the bottom right to reject the call. If you do answer the call, you can then press the large red button at the bottom of the screen to end the call. You can also use the physical buttons on the phone to answer and end calls. If the phone is ringing, press the volume up key on the edge of the device to answer the call. To end or reject a call, briefly press the power button. Finally, during a call, the call screen will display. Use the button in the top right of the screen to turn the loudspeaker on or off, and listen to the call through the loudspeaker instead of the earpiece. If needed, you can also close the call screen with the red cross in the top left to access other parts of Synapptic while on a call. For example, you may want to look up some information from your address book or from a text message or email. If you need any help with any of the options that have been discussed today, use our free telephone helpline. Call us on 0191 9097 909. So today we've run through how to make and receive calls from your Synapptic device. Hopefully you are now a bit more familiar with your new Synapptic phone or tablet. If you've liked the video today, please like and subscribe. And if there's any more content that you would like to see, please leave a comment in the comment section below. For more information, call us on 0191 9097 909 or visit our website at www.synaptic.com. A link can be found in the description below.